In this question, you have to point out the option that represents the dentition of human. Now in humans, the dentition is thecodont, diphyodont and heterodont. That is, thecodont means the teeth are set in sockets in the jaw which are known as alveoli. Diphyodont means that humans have two sets of teeth during their lifetime. The first set, known as the deciduous teeth or the milk teeth, begins to erupt at around 6 months of age and is replaced by a set of permanent teeth around the age of 6 to 12 years. Humans exhibit heterodont dentition, meaning they have different types of teeth, each designed for specific functions. That is, incisors used for cutting food, canines are used for tearing food, premolars are used for grinding and tearing food, and molars are used for grinding and crushing the food. Thus, as already stated, humans have thecodont, diphyodont, and heterodont dentition. Hence, the correct answer is option B.